Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a tutorial for the Block Blast glitch to earn 10x points. Stick around till the end to learn how to make the most of this trick and boost your game score. So let's dive in. Keep in mind that glitches can vary depending on your game version and device. So some may work better for you than others or some might stop working after updates. The very first glitch is Infinite Move Glitch. This glitch may let you make more moves than intended. Now, what you can do is rapidly tap multiple blocks one after other without waiting for the animation to finish. The game might miss registering some taps, allowing you extra moves. This can take practice to get the timing right, but it's worth the shot. And then the second is free booster glitch. If you want a free booster without watching ads, this trick has worked for some players. So here's how what you can do for this one is tap the option to watch an ad for a booster, and once the ad starts, quickly turn off your Wi-Fi or put your phone on airplane mode. Sometime the game rewards you with the booster even if the ad does not fully play. And then the next one we have is block rotation glitch. If you have ever wanted to rotate blocks that normally cannot be rotated, some players have found a way. For this, click on a block while quickly interacting with the rotation buttons, and this might trigger the block to change its orientation. Be patient as it could take multiple tries to make it work. And then there's this fourth glitch, which is undo move by restarting. If you made a mistake and you wish you could undo your last move, try this method. After making a move, immediately close the app before it autosaves. When you reopen the game, you might find that your last move has been undone, giving you a chance to try again. And then, last but not the least, level reset glitch for high scorers. If you want to replay a level to improve your score without any penalties, here's how you can do this. If you're about to lose or want to replay a level, force close the app before it registers your loss. For this, hold on the app and then click on App Info. Here in the App Info, you will find this force close. So click on it, and when you reopen the game, you may get the chance to start the level, letting you aim for a higher score. But remember, these glitches may not work on all game versions, as developers frequently patch them in updates. That's it for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.